Hey everyone! Today we're making something super simple and incredibly delicious. It's a no-bake icebox cheesecake with a bright, zesty lime flavor and a fun Jell-O twist. This recipe is perfect for when you want a perfect dessert without turning on the oven. It's cool, creamy, and requires minimal effort. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients you'll need for this easy cheesecake. You'll want a box of lime-flavored gelatin, some boiling water, and some cold water. You'll also need softened cream cheese, a can of sweetened condensed milk, and fresh lime juice. Don't forget graham cracker crumbs and melted butter for the crust. First, let's make our simple crust. In a bowl, combine the graham cracker crumbs and the melted butter. Mix them together until the crumbs are evenly moistened. Press this mixture firmly into the bottom of a pie dish or a spring-form pan. Use the bottom of a glass or your fingers to get it nice and compact. Pop this into the fridge while we make the filling. Now, for the Jell-O part of our filling, empty the lime gelatin powder into a medium bowl. Carefully pour in the boiling water and stir until the gelatin is completely dissolved. Once dissolved, stir in the cold water. Set this aside for a few minutes to cool slightly, but don't let it set completely. We want it liquid, but not hot. In a large mixing bowl, beat the softened cream cheese until it's smooth and fluffy. Make sure there are no lumps. Gradually beat in the sweetened condensed milk until everything is well combined and creamy. This adds sweetness and helps with the no-bake texture. Now slowly pour in the slightly cooled lime Jell-O mixture while continuing to beat on low speed. Mix until the Jell-O is fully incorporated into the cream cheese mixture. Finally, stir in the fresh lime juice. Taste it and add a little more if you like a stronger lime flavor. The filling should be smooth and pourable. Retrieve your chilled crust from the refrigerator. Pour the creamy lime filling evenly over the graham cracker crust in the pan. Smooth the top with a spatula if needed. Now comes the most important part, chilling. Cover the cheesecake loosely with plastic wrap. Place it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or preferably until it is completely set and firm. Overnight is even better. Once the cheesecake is fully set, it's ready to slice and serve. If you used a spring-form pan, carefully release the sides. You can garnish slices with a dollop of whipped cream, a lime slice, or some lime zest. It's a refreshing and light dessert. And there you have it, a delicious, easy, no-bake icebox Jell-O lime cheesecake. It's the perfect treat for a warm day or anytime you crave something sweet and tangy. Give this recipe a try. It's so simple, anyone can make it. Enjoy your homemade cheesecake.